Okay, now we go to the sword.
Then the sword come out of this.
Show me what you're doing. You flip the handle.
And that's how we make the sword. Then that's how we make it. Then the wings come out. Before they fly, they have to watch out for flying people. It can also be a wax. It can be with 2 guns, too. See? It can combine this. Oh, this. It can combine that with the power wax. Oops. This is the power wax.
Oh, that's the power axe, huh?
We can control it to be like that, or like this. If someone is with having a power wax, they have to use a power wax too. And then...
Is that the gun?
Then this is what comes, so we can make an axe for the Rangers. Then he points out the yellow, so we can pull the yellow off. Then the Megs are just get off, but something is in this one. Then this one comes to combine the Megazord.
Yeah.
Jump off the Megazord.
All right.
Then someone just go up.
That's a good.
And that's the end of the story. The end. Take a picture.